After many of you downloaded Bypass Unlock tool have been running into issues when trying to unlock your iPhone, getting an error message, and feeling confused when seeing a message that your serial number isn't registered. You've reached out to us privately on Telegram about this, and we're here to help. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to solve this problem, how to register your serial number on our server, and how to get your phone activated. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and now let's get straight into the video. So when we open Bypass Unlock tool to unlock our activation locked iPhone, we'll get a message if out device is supported or not. If your device is supported, it means your iPhone can be unlocked. But if your get not supported pop message, you don't have to place an order. Just wait an update in channel. So after we skip this pop image and read out iPhone's information and try to activate it, we will get an error message that says your serial number is not registered pop-up message. So how can we fix this? Let's watch. First, open a web browser on your computer and navigate to bypassunlock.online. Once the page is loaded, scroll down until you see two registration options: register for passcode unlock and register for iCloud activation lock. For this tutorial, we're focusing on iCloud issues, so you'll want to click on the register for iCloud activation lock button. Next, you'll see a form where you need to enter your details. Paste the serial number you copied from the Bypass Unlock tool into the designated serial number box. Be sure to select your specific phone model from the drop-down list below. After that, don't forget to click the confirmation box to verify the serial number. Finally, enter your email address and click Proceed to move on to the payment page. Once you reach the payment page, the system automatically detects and displays full details about your phone. This includes the serial number, model, network lock status, and whether the Find My iPhone feature is enabled. All for free. Before proceeding, you can verify that the information matches your device to ensure everything is correct. Now, scrolling down to the payment section, you will see the available methods. Currently, the website only accepts crypto payments, as MasterCard and PayPal are temporarily under maintenance. To complete your payment, you will need a crypto wallet like Binance or another trusted platform to convert your funds. After selecting your preferred network, such as BEP20, TRC20, Polygon, or Ethereum, the website will generate a specific address for your transaction. After the payment page loads, you'll see a generated address that is valid for 15 minutes, along with the exact amount to be paid. Please pay close attention to the network. If you are using BEP20, you must select that specific network when making the transfer, as cryptocurrency transactions are very sensitive and cannot be reversed if sent incorrectly. Now, open the Binance app on your mobile device and go to the Assets tab at the bottom. Select Withdraw and search for USDT. You can either paste the wallet address from the website or use the app to scan the QR code. Next, be sure to select the exact network that was shown on the website, in this case BEP20, and enter the exact amount to proceed with the withdrawal. Once you've completed the payment, head back to the website and check the status section where you can enter your serial number to keep track. When you return, the payment page will update to show the confirmation. After registering, it generally takes about 15 to 30 minutes for the serial number to be successfully processed. Once that's done, you can go back to our tool, hit activate, and your phone will be successfully bypassed. You can unlock your iPhone on this way. Thanks for watching.